Hi, good morning.
Morning, doctor.
Okay, so who am I seeing with today?
Oh, my name is Qianli.
Stanley. Can I have your phone number?
Yeah, 082132928300.
And can I have your address as well?
Yeah, Jujuran Satu.
Okay. So, who's the patient for today?
This is Luna.
Luna. Okay. How old is she?
Yeah, it's a she.
Is she okay?
She's just turned to 3.
Just 3 years.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Big girl. Okay. So, what seems to be the problem today?
Luna's been coughing lately.
She's been coughing. Okay. How long did you realize that she's been coughing?
It's been 3 to 4 days.
It's been 3 to 4 days that she's been coughing. Okay. How frequent does she cough?
From what I know, I heard it like every night.
Every night. So you heard it every night. Is there any coughing during morning?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Can you describe the cough? Maybe it's like a dry cough from the throat, like, or maybe it's like a very harsh kind of sound.
Yeah, it's so weird. The coughing sounds like geese honking.
Like geese honking. Oh, okay. Has she been taking any medication before?
No.
No medication. Is there any changes in behavior, or is there any other symptoms?
Yeah, for Luna have been having a nasal discharge,
Okay.
and then her nose are really dry recently, and then like Luna is very active, but lately she's really like just lying on the floor, do nothing, and then some more, he doesn't consume any food, but he did drink a lot.
So there's a few nasal discharge, and she's been very tired. She looks very tired.
Yeah.
And all that. And she's not been eating a lot of food.
Yeah.
Okay. Before I forget, is there any blood in the cough?
No.
No. Okay. Does she has any allergic to anything?
I don't really know.
You don't really know. Okay, it's fine. Has Luna been outside for the past days?
Yeah, I've been walking them out at the dog park.
Dog park. You've been bringing Luna to the dog park. Okay.
Oh.
Do you have any other pets?
Yes, I have another 2 dogs.
Another 2 dogs. So I assume you bring them as well to the dog park with Luna?
Yes, together.
Okay, so you bring them, the other dogs and Luna to the dog park. Okay. Does your dog Luna and the others have been vaccinated before?
Yes, my dad seen them.
Okay. Does this ever happen before?
Yeah, it did. Luna is once happened before when she's a puppy.
Oh, it happened, but it's a very long time when she was a puppy. Okay.
Yes.
So based on the information that you have given to me, there's still a few things. That I might have to do, because I suspect that your Luna might have like a canine influenza, maybe canine distemper, or maybe a canine adenovirus. But for that reason, I might have to do further testing after this, and the test might cost a bit for at the end.
Yes,
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so maybe we can go for a lab test, and then it can further confirm the diagnosis. Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you, doctor.